Sneaker collabs, when done right, can lead to some pretty amazing products, allowing brands to combine creative energies, give access to production, as well as whole new audiences. But the shoes I'm going to be talking about in this video is pretty much the opposite of all of that. I couldn't think of a more appropriate title. And I'm talking about these right here. This is the collab between New Balance and Comme des Garçons on the 550. So the collab right here, the Comme des Garçons New Balance 550s. Leave your thoughts in the comments. What do you guys think about this shoe? I get wanting to keep things simple and classic, but there definitely is such a thing as too simple. I was pretty surprised when I saw these, especially coming from a brand like Comme des Garçons, who have been very strong when it comes to sneaker collabs over the last few years. Last year, they gave us one of the best interpretations of a Nike Foamposite. Yes, the colorways were simple, but they pretty much transformed the rest of the shoe. They also gave us one of the most interesting Air Force One mids we've ever seen. And who can forget a couple of years ago, those super underrated Air Max 95s. And when you hear they're gonna do something with the New Balance 550s, that is reason to get excited about. The 550, one of the most popular sneaker models out there right now. But then you see this final product and wonder, did they even try here? I feel like I could have come up with this shoe in about 10 seconds. I mean, just look at this shoe, guys. It's pretty much a very boring colorway of a New Balance 550 with a Comme des Garçons logo at the back. But you want to know the best part about these shoes? That is the retail price. So these shoes retail for a price of $265, which, as you know, is double the price of a regular New Balance 550. I know Comme des Garçons collabs usually have that markup, but I don't even know if I can finish this video. This collab came in two colorways. I got the white pair right here, and you might look at this colorway and think, I've probably seen that before somewhere. You wouldn't be wrong. There's been several other New Balance 550s with almost identical or very similar colorways. And what's funnier is the other pair that came as part of the collab. This was the black colorway. And the thing about this pair is that this colorway literally already exists. There was a GR version of this colorway that dropped earlier in the year, so they didn't even come up with a new colorway. They just took that pair, put a CDG logo at the back, and charged you $265. I mean, how did these even go into production? But wait, it gets better. Wait till you guys see the box that these shoes came in. So here is the official Comme des Garçons New Balance 550 box. Yeah, we literally get a regular New Balance box, not even a special box with this collab. Just your basic New Balance gray box that you get with every other GR New Balance. Quality wise, I thought, you know what, $265 for these, at least maybe let's get some premium leather. And I'm sorry to say, but you don't even get that. You get pretty much the same leather you get on any other 550. I was expecting maybe we might get some of that premium leather we saw on that Orlay 550 collab, but that is not the case, unfortunately. Some pretty basic leather here. So really, when it comes down to it, all this shoe is a boring colorway of a 550 with a Comme des Garçons logo at the back. Oh, wait, I was wrong. You actually do get a Comme des Garçons insole as well. At least you get that. For people out there that like this shoe, I guess you can call me a hater if you want, but I definitely think this is the worst sneaker, definitely the worst sneaker collab of the year so far. Yeah, sure, the colorway is clean and it can be worn with pretty much anything, but there's literally 20 other colorways of the same shoe available for half the price. If you are thinking of copying these, by the way, they do fit like every other 550. For most people, that is a half size down from your true size. And if you have wide feet, you can go true to size. And they definitely still are a comfortable shoe thanks in part to that Ortholite insole. So this is a pretty good shoe for all day use. But it doesn't take away from the fact that this is literally a GR colorway of a New Balance 550 for an inflated price of $265. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys think this is the worst sneaker of the year, or if you actually have another pair in mind. Leave that in the comments as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching this video and supporting this channel. Make sure you follow me on all of my socials, as well as check out my sneaker podcast. Available Apple Music, Spotify, links are in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.